Welcome to Mom's Trini Cooking. Today on my channel I'll be making shrimp wonton. I have a special guest with me today, Lance, my son-in-law. He'll be doing most of it. I'll be helping him along.
Hi everyone. If you'd like to see how we make our shrimp wontons, keep watching.
For this recipe we will be using about half a pound of clean and deveined shrimp. This is what it looked like. I am going to chop mine because we like to have it in little pieces, but you can also grind it if you want. With that, we're going to put crushed ginger, crushed garlic, sesame oil, green onions chopped up, one hot pepper, optional, but it does make it taste better, salt, black pepper, chili powder, and 5 spice.
And the last item we'll be using is the wonton skins or wrappers.
I'm going to start by cutting my shrimp up.
When you're doing this, do you like cooked or uncooked shrimp?
I like to use the raw shrimp because the flavors are better in it for me, but all means you can use cooked ones if you like.
Okay, that sounds good.
See how small I like cutting them? It's almost like if you grind it, but it's not.
Guys, so now we're going to marinate our shrimp, right? So we're just going to throw everything we have in here, obviously besides the water. So start throwing everything in. Right, so now you can kind of let this, you can let this marinate as long as you want. Can be 2 hours, it could be 5 hours, whatever you like. So say it. Or you can use it right away. It's totally up to you. You know, sometimes you don't have the time, which is perfectly fine. All right, now that's everything in there, right? Now at this point, you just mix it all up.
Okay, you need a spoon for that. Let's get a spoon for that. You can use this one.
All right, so you just mix everything all up. Now I know my Korean people love using their hand. By all means, go for it. We just decided to use a spoon today. After you mix everything up, right, if you want to let it marinate, feel free to just put it in the fridge and let it sit, or outside, totally up to you. And that's basically what it looks like, guys.
So easy. Good job, Lance.
Thank you. All right, guys. So now I'm going to show you in a detailed way on how to wrap the wontons. All right, Mom's here. She's going to help me fill the wontons, right? And we'll show you how to wrap it. So you want to grab one skin, right? And then put a little bit of the shrimp. See, right there. You don't want to put too much just because when you go to fold it, it tends to tear the skin. So first things first, grab a little bit of water and put it on the edges. Now, the main thing with the water is you don't want to put too much because then it tends to not stick. So you kind of fold it up top like a triangle and press down on both sides. And if it's a little bit too much, you can just press down a little bit. And then on the bottom of the triangle, a little bit of water, and then grab the two ends and bring them together and pinch. And that's it. And then you flip it over, and that's what it looks like. Alright guys, I just want to make a note as well for you guys. You don't have to put water on all four edges. I just tend to like to do that just because I feel like it's fine to do it. But if you don't think it's going to seal because it's too much water, then don't do it. As you saw on this one here, I didn't put water on one of the sides and it sealed perfectly fine. Alright guys, so now we're going to fry the wontons. Alright, so we have our pot here. The amount of oil to fry, coming towards heat, you want it on a medium heat. So we're going to fry the wontons, okay? You want to get this a golden brown because shrimp fries very quickly or cooks very quickly. So you just want to get a golden brown and you'll be good to go.
That one looks like you can take it out.
Yeah,
yep.
This one looks good to go. So you see on the other side as well, I'll take it out and you can see.
Oh, they're good to come out, so I'm taking them out. Put them on a wax paper or paper towel.
Okay everyone, so as you can see here, they're all fried, ready to go. In Trinidad, we like to dress our wontons. So typically what we do is we use ketchup, mustard, soy sauce, and pepper sauce. So Mom's going to dress them and we'll show you what it looks like right after. As you can see, while we're dressing it, there's no proper way, just kind of drizzle everything all over it. It looks a little messy, but it's delicious, trust me.
Only the soy sauce, you take it easy with pouring it, because maybe you might put too much.
And once again, as a reminder guys, use the pepper sauce as much as you like. If you don't want it too spicy, put a little. If you want it a little bit more hot, use as much as you want. Right, so now we're going to do a taste test and see how great it turned out. All right. Cheers. Delicious. All the sauces, everything's so flavorful. Cooked to perfection. Turned out amazing. What do you think, Mom?
I like it. You can taste the sesame oil, the 5 spice. You can taste all of these something. So I think this is one of your favorite snacks, right?
Absolutely. When my wife and I were dating, and we were out late, she used to make a late night snack, and these were one of the go-tos. Always a good time.
Shalini, you got him hooked with the wontons.
So, as you guys can see, this wasn't a very hard dish to make. Turned out quite easy. It's quick, late night snack. Amazing go-to.
So if you like our recipe today, let us know, give us the thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, everyone. Hi.
And then I'm going to say...
Wait, are we taping?
No.
Oh, what are you doing?
I'm trying to fit you.
Oh,
So
okay.
yeah, today get a little spoon because sometimes it gives trouble to come out, right, Cheryl?
Oh.
And we're just going to beside the water. Throw everything beside the water. Okay. So you now come and do just throw. You don't have to say nothing. You all you have to say, we can start seasoning the shrimp now.
What? Yeah.
Want to practice one more time?
And next practice, are you good? One more?
No, let's do one more. That's all we're going to do.
And should we say we just put it a little in, or
Yeah. You should. Because why?
All right, that. Oh,
because it won't be able to fold if you put too much in?
let's see. Like, all right, guys, just going to put a little.
And Lance will say put in the water to help seal it. And you could say you put it, you let it meet there, and then you bring the others two on the side. You could explain how you do it.
Yep.
We also say don't put too much water because sometimes when I use too much water, it pitches in the oil. Where is my discount code? Now it's time for me to enter just for the snacks. Excuse me.
No, come. Yummy.
Tell me how much
Lance,
you
did a
would
good
like
job.
and I will hand it to you.
Oh, the blade.
I like all of them. And they're all mine.
No bother me.
But fine.
Look at this one. Nalini folded this one, guys. Kajol? Kajol folded this one.
It's really good.
You know you folded that one. You're blaming it on me. I'm a really good folder.
We can have all of this for lunch.
I was taught well.
Face like Kajol. Personality like Kareena Kapoor.
I don't like the jokes.
Wow, that's so delicious.
This one? Ooh.
Ooh.
It has everything on it. Just eat it. I think you can eat this whole thing.
Does it taste better when she feeds you?
Absolutely. A certain sweetness to it.
That's bad. You're spoiled. Gross.
Okay, next video. 2 done. How many more?
7 to go. Okay, bye.
Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching.